Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel is Mobile. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe to my channel first. If you have already subscribed, then please share it to your friends also so that they can also get benefit from my videos. In today's video, I'll tell you that how you can create avatar of your Instagram account same as you create avatar on your Snapchat account, that specific cartoon picture of your account. So let's jump into the video without wasting any time. So first of all, you have to make sure that your mobile or your device is connected with internet or your internet connection is active. Then now open Instagram. Now you have to click on that profile icon. Now you have to click on these three lines that are on the upper right corner. So click on those. Now this thing will appear on your screen and now you have to go into settings. Click on settings. Now after that you have to go into account option, that is just below the ads. So just tap on account. So now there is an option of avatars just below account status. So you have to go into that option. Just tap on that. Now you have to tap on get started. Now you can select any of skin tone that you want, any of them. If you will scroll down, then there will be skin tones for girls also. These are for men. So just scroll down, or if you want to select any of them, you can choose. I'm just showing you, so I'm not concerned that which one is good or not. So now here's an option of hairstyle. You can choose any of hairstyle, whatever you want to or whatever you like. Now you have to just click on right option, that is face shape. So you can select any of face shape from given. Now face lines, so many options are available. Eye shape. I'm just showing you one by one and exploring options which are available. So here's an also option of eyebrow. You can choose any shape that you want. Now here's an option of bindi. If you want that, you can go for it. If you don't, then skip it. Here's an option of glasses. If you want, then you can go for it. Like as there are many options, I'm just exploring. Nose shape, if you want to change your nose shape. Nose piercing, I don't like it, so I'm not going for it. Lip color, lip shape, I'm just going into nudes. Facial hair, if you're a man, then you should go for it. If you're a girl, I hope you will not like it. Just kidding. Body shape, outfit, now this one is very exciting option, so I'm just choosing according to my choice. I have first chosen this one, that is green shirt with a jeans, and then I'm just exploring that if I can find it in something new or something good. So I have changed my shirt. Now here's an option of headwear. If you want to wear, then you can go for it. Ear piercing, I'm just choosing one of them girls things. So I'm choosing one of them. So guys, now you can save changes. You can also skip any options if you like. If you don't want to wear glasses on your avatar, so you can just skip it, and then you have to go into next and your avatar is ready. Okay, so I hope that you like my video. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, then you have to subscribe please, because I need subscribers. So share to your friends also so that they can also create their avatars. Thank you.